For decades, China viewed itself as the undisputed champion of large-scale manufacturing, a nation capable of producing products faster, cheaper, and in greater volume than anyone else. Massive factories, endless assembly lines, and armies of workers became symbols of industrial dominance. Then Tesla entered the picture and began rewriting the definition of speed in automotive production. Not slightly faster, not incrementally improved, radically different. Elon Musk has claimed that Tesla's next-generation production system could push output to the point where a finished vehicle effectively rolls off the line in under 30 seconds. That statement alone challenges everything the traditional auto industry has accepted for decades. At the center of this shift is Giga Press 2.0, an evolution of the original Giga Press technology that already transformed how vehicles like the Model Y are built. Conventional factories rely on hundreds of stamped metal parts welded together piece by piece. Each weld is a potential delay, a potential defect, a potential cost. Even the most advanced plants typically require well over a minute, often closer to 2, to complete major structural assemblies. Multiply that by millions of vehicles, and the time difference becomes enormous. Tesla's approach flips that entire philosophy. Instead of assembling dozens of parts into one structure, they cast enormous structural sections in a single shot. Giga Press 2.0 represents the extreme end of that idea. Imagine a machine the size of a 2-story building, engineered to exert up to 50,000 tons of clamping force. That number alone sounds unreal. It is more than 8 times the force of the 6,000-ton class machines Tesla used to revolutionize Model Y production. With that earlier generation, Tesla replaced more than 70 individual components with just 2 large aluminum castings integrated with a structural battery pack. Production costs dropped dramatically. Complexity fell. Assembly lines became shorter and faster. Now Tesla aims to go even further. The ambition is to cast an entire underbody structure in a single seamless piece. Instead of stitching together dozens of structural elements, the chassis foundation emerges as one unified component. Fewer welds, fewer robots, fewer alignment checks, less opportunity for error. When Musk compares it to making toy cars, the point is not exaggeration for effect. It is about reducing the process to something that feels almost simple, even though the engineering behind it is anything but. This technology becomes especially important when discussing Tesla's upcoming compact vehicle, widely referred to as the Model 2. The goal is bold, a high-volume electric vehicle priced around $29,990, designed for true mass market adoption. Musk has suggested production ambitions reaching tens of millions of units over time. That level of output cannot rely on traditional assembly methods. It demands a production philosophy built for extreme scale. The compact size of the Model 2 actually works in favor of this casting strategy. With shorter overhangs and a more condensed footprint, engineers can design a structural architecture optimized for single-piece casting. However, the previous 6,000-ton presses lack the power required to mold such a large unified section in one go. That limitation led to the development of Giga Press 2.0. According to internal discussions shared publicly by Musk, the new system could potentially produce multiple underbody frames in a single cycle. If achieved, that would push manufacturing throughput to levels never seen in automotive history. The idea is not simply to build faster, but to compress complexity. Every eliminated weld reduces labor, inspection, and time. Every removed bracket reduces material cost. Every simplified assembly step reduces the chance of variation. The process begins with aluminum alloy preparation. Tesla uses carefully formulated blends that combine pure aluminum with recycled material from previous castings. Sustainability and efficiency intersect here. Excess material from one cycle is not discarded. It is collected, melted again, and reintegrated into future pours, forming a closed-loop system that minimizes waste. To prepare the molten metal, aluminum is heated to temperatures around 850 degrees Celsius in specialized furnaces. Giga Press 2.0 reportedly uses a dual furnace configuration. One furnace, powered by natural gas, brings the metal to the required extreme temperature. A second electrically powered furnace maintains a stable thermal environment before injection. This parallel setup improves energy management and ensures the material remains at optimal consistency, reducing oxidation and preserving quality. Before casting begins, the molds undergo meticulous preparation. Ultra-high precision dies shape the final component. Robotic systems apply a fine release agent, often soybean-based oil, to prevent molten aluminum from bonding to mold surfaces. This lubrication protects tooling and ensures smooth part removal after solidification. Even small inefficiencies at this stage could introduce defects, so automation guarantees consistency cycle after cycle. Next comes vacuum preparation. Air trapped inside the mold can create porosity within the casting, weakening structural integrity. A vacuum system evacuates internal air, creating a near-perfect environment for metal injection. Then, in a fraction of a second, a high-speed piston forces molten aluminum into the mold cavity. The injection velocity is immense. Within milliseconds, intricate channels and structural ribs are completely filled. Managing pressure during this stage is one of the greatest engineering challenges. Molten aluminum moving at such speed generates enormous internal forces. Without sufficient clamping strength, molds could separate or deform. That is where the 50,000-ton clamping force becomes essential. The mold halves are held together with extraordinary power, preventing leakage or distortion and preserving dimensional precision. After injection, the metal begins to solidify. Cooling must be controlled carefully to maintain uniform grain structure and mechanical strength. Once solidified enough to maintain form, the component is extracted at temperatures that can still approach 500 degrees Celsius. Immediate quenching in a cold water bath rapidly lowers temperature, increasing hardness and tensile strength. This step enhances durability and prepares the casting for downstream processes. Quality assurance follows. Advanced X-ray scanning systems inspect each casting internally, searching for voids or imperfections invisible to the naked eye. Structural components cannot tolerate hidden weaknesses. Only parts meeting strict tolerances proceed further down the production line. Once approved, cast sections move toward robotic assembly stations. Here, fewer operations are required compared to traditional methods. Because large structural portions are already unified, welding steps are drastically reduced or eliminated. Machining operations shrink. Alignment complexity decreases. The result is a chassis that is lighter, stiffer, and quicker to assemble. The idea that a vehicle could effectively emerge from a production line in half a minute once sounded impossible. Now it sits within reach of machines exerting 50,000 tons of force, shaping molten aluminum into the backbone of the next generation of electric mobility.